Careernomics is a specialized platform for early career professionals, catering to both bachelor and master's students. Our extensive database offers filtered job listings directly from employers, both domestic and international, spanning multiple countries and languages, all of which have been vetted to fit each student profile. In addition to standard search criteria, you are also able to search by job level and use multiple tags such as venture-backed, ESG, E-verified, and many more. You can also choose the strictness of your search through our scope of the search options. Lastly, with our job alerts, you can receive daily or weekly emails with new jobs matching your precise preferences. Just fill out your search criteria, then click on Create a Job Alert, name your alert, and click Save. You can manage all your job alerts through your candidate dashboard under the Me tab. Once you perform your search, you will see the number of matching jobs on the left. For countries such as USA and the UK, we also highlight jobs from employers who are known to sponsor international candidates with our colorful tags. Clicking on the job title or the company logo will take you to the full job posting. You can also add any job to your favorites by clicking the star in the top right corner of the job listing. On the job post page, in addition to all the pertinent details about the job and the description and requirements, we also highlight some of the key facts about the employer in the right column, including links to statistics and insights on its typical skill requirements. From here, you can apply to the job or add it to your favorites for later.